Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Team Fortress 2 game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable Joystick within this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Team Fortress 2 game on your device, and once you open it up, you will end up within the main menu. From here, if you go into the settings page at the bottom where it says options, then you will end up within the keyboard settings menu, which means that the default controls are your keyboards. But if you wish to use your controller, then after having it connected, go ahead and click on mouse. Now within the mouse settings, you will see the enable gamepad button. Just click on this option to enable your gamepad. Now you can define your sensitivity for both your horizontal and vertical axes. And there is also the option to reverse your axes. Once the gamepad has been enabled, click on the apply button. And now you can start enjoying the game with your joystick. You may still need to use your mouse in order to navigate to your game menus. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable joystick on the Team Fortress 2 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.